everyone, welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a unique winter drink called Salep. It's Greek and Turkish, and also in the Arab countries they have it by the name Sahlab. Let's start. My ingredients are Salep. This one is the original one. I ordered it online. In Arabic stores, unfortunately, they don't have the original one. I even went to a Turkish bazaar to find it. They don't sell it in the United States, but I was able to find this online. This is a Greek salep, and it's the original one. It's a bit pricey, but if you want to try the original one, I'm going to put the link below if you would like to order it from Amazon. And then we have sugar, of course. We have 3 tablespoons of sugar. With the salep, I'm going to use only 2 teaspoons because it's very strong. I have here the flavor of the mastic, which is Greek, Turkish, Arabic, and I love this flavor very much. I miss the ice cream. The mastic ice cream in Greece and in Turkey is amazing. Also, I have milk. I have 2 cups of milk. I'm going to make 2 cups of salep today. This is cold milk. I have for garnish on top of my cup, I'm going to add some pecans and coconut. The original recipe calls for pistachios, but I don't have this in handy. I have pecans and coconut. So the first step is to grind the mastic. The mastic is a resin from the mastic tree, which grows in the island Chios in Greece. So now I'm going to show you how to grind it with a mortar and pestle. In order to grind the mastic, I need to add sugar because it's a gooey spice. So we don't want them to stick to each other. So I added the sugar, which prevent them from sticking to each other. And I will start grinding. This mastic adds an amazing flavor. The Greeks and the Turks, they add it on all their desserts. I'm now going to add the 2 teaspoons to the milk, 2 teaspoons of salep. 1, 2. Then I'm going to add the grinded mastic, the sugar. And then I'm going to mix everything together before I add it to the stove. This is going to be gooey because the salep is gooey and also the mastic. So people like to drink it and also use a spoon for the nice nuts that I will add on top. Now it's ready to be added. Now I will bring that to simmer. I will use medium heat because you don't want the bottom to burn. And I will keep mixing with a whisk the whole time. So here, after I boiled it, it is thick as you see and gooey because of the salep and also the mastic. I'm going to serve it now in a mug. The tradition is a transparent mug, and that's what I have. And then I'm going to add the nuts and the coconut on top. My salep is now ready, and it's wonderful on a cold winter night. Enjoy it, and please let me know in the comments below how it goes. And see you next time.